You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about Nord Stream 1 and how it is critical for Europe. This is for GS Paper 2, International Relations. Russia, on the 31st of August 2022, halted gas supplies for 3 days to Europe via Nord Stream 1, citing maintenance issues. Gazprom, the Russian state energy company, has said there would be no gas supply to Germany until 3rd of September 2022. The maintenance was usually done quietly in the past, but with the pipeline becoming a bargaining chip between Russia and the West, the company's announcements are now made public. Now, what is Nord Stream 1? Nord Stream 1 is the biggest pipeline transporting natural gas between Russia and Europe via Germany. It runs from Vyborg in Russia to Greifswald in Germany. In 2021, Russia supplied nearly 40% of the EU's natural gas needs through this pipeline. It is majorly owned by Gazprom. The twin pipeline system of Nord Stream can transport 55 billion cubic meters of gas from Russia to Europe through the Baltic Sea. In June, Moscow slashed the supply via Nord Stream to 40%. In July, it was further reduced to 20%. Along with the pipeline, Russia has completely cut off supplies to Denmark, Bulgaria, Finland, the Netherlands, and Poland. The flows through Nord Stream play a vital role in filling up the national storage tanks of Germany and the EU. It is crucial to provide the required heating in the upcoming winter. Out of Germany's 85% storage target by 1st of October, 83.26% have already been filled. But the target of 95% by 1st of November may be difficult. For the EU, the required storage level of 80% is near completion, with 79.94% already filled. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.